In this video, you'll learn a simple way to hide chat messages on Android without removing them permanently, using a built-in feature that keeps your inbox clean, private, and easy to manage in 2026. To hide a conversation, open the Google Messages app on your Android device. Find the chat you want to hide, then press and hold that conversation until additional options appear at the top of the screen. Tap the archive icon, which looks like a folder with a downward pointing arrow. The selected conversation will instantly disappear from your main inbox and move to the archived folder. If that person sends you a new message in the future, the conversation will automatically return to your inbox so you won't miss important updates. To view your hidden messages later, open Google Messages and tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Archive to see all the conversations you have hidden. You can open and read them just like any other message thread. By using the archive feature, you can hide messages on Android without deleting them, keeping your inbox organized while preserving important conversations for future access.